Are you stuck with GSTR1 filing? Welcome to India GSTR. You just need to provide the plain invoice details, and India GSTR will convert it to GST compliance format and file it for you. Go to www.indiagstr.in, click on the free trial, provide the registration details like name, designation, email, phone number, and your organization name. Click on register. Our representative will reach out to you and a new account will be created for you. Let's see how this in India GSTR. The filing has been split across 4 steps. The first step is that we have to choose the return period. So in this case, I'm going to file the return period for the Jan 2022. And there are 2 options. One is we can upload through the Excel file, and other is through the manual entry. In this case, I'm going to enter through the manual entry. So I have 2 records. I'm going to enter these 2 data and file the filing. Let's do it one by one. So I have 2 invoices. So once you have the data ready, you just have to enter the data. So this data, let it be Excel or the manual, we just need these specific data. And we will do all the groupings. The India GSTR will do all the groupings. Whenever the column exceeds, the column automatically adjusts its width. So if it is a GST registered customer, you don't have to provide the state. And next is that we have to identify the HSN. So if you already have the HSN, we can enter it, or we can search it from here. So you can type the keywords which are relevant to your product, and it will fetch you the HSN SC code. So here this is software with the database. So I have given software space database space. So it will find out the items which are matching the software and database. So we have got one. So just click on this radio button. It will get you the HSN. So this item is mapped to this HSN. Since it is a service, we don't have to provide a unit and code. Let's move to the taxable price. So in case if you have which is a goods, you can choose the unit and the quantity. Here it is not applicable. And then the tax rate. So we have all the predefined tax rates here. Choose the tax rate which matches your case. GST. So next is it is a non-registered customer. So I just have to choose the state. In this case, we have to choose a state. Since GST is not there, we have to provide a state. Okay, so now we have entered this data, and we can, by clicking on preview, it will take you to the next step. The same thing we can do it here. You can see the much detailed version of this upload file in the contact us page demo. For now, we are skipping this and we are going to the preview. So now we have entered the data. We can click on preview. It will take you to the preview section. Okay. So now we are on the step 2. So the feed has been provided. The step 2 is the place where we have to preview all the data. So now we can see that the B2B has 1 record, B2C has 1 record. We just have to ensure that all the data in this. So these are the data which are going to be going into GST. So for B2B, it is GST number, invoice date, all this data will be going. And for B2CL, there is no data, so it is empty. For B2CS, it will be these data, the Tamil Nadu intra price tax rate 18. Click on upload to GST. So now this is asking an OTP. So as I mentioned earlier, the GST system will be sending an OTP to a registered mobile. Yeah, so I have got my OTP. So now you can see that this is step 1. The invoice has been uploaded to GST system and it is completed now. So now you can see that there is one success invoice. This is success and one failed invoice. So this failed reason from the GST is CGST and SGST is required for interstate supply. Do remove the IGST as they are not applicable. So now you have supplied a wrong data. Because of that, the GST system throws an error. So now I'm fixing it. So this is a place where you can fix any error and click on apply fix. So now there is no failed item. We are in the success. And now the summary is generating. So the summary generation is in progress. Please try again after some time. So normally GST system will take some time to generate the summary. After some time, we can click on this retry. So I have clicked it now itself. Let's see. Yeah. Now the summary has been generated. If there is a B2CL, we will see a B2CL. And if there is HSN, we will see HSN. Okay, so this is summary. So what we have to go validate is we have to validate all the B2B invoice value, total IGST, CGST is fine or not. Okay, so here I'm checking this value, IGST, CGST all fine. There is only IGST here, and the total is here for this one. And the same, if there are multiple rows, means we'll see multiple rows, and final total will be the total. So this report is generated from the GST system. So this is the data which is going to be filed now. So here you can see all this value. The same with B2CS. For B2CS, we only have total. So here one record and what is the thing and what is it. So now if you are fine with this data, means what we can do is we have to click this acknowledgement. That is, I acknowledge that I have reviewed the details of the summary and the information is correct and would like to submit the details. And the most important thing is I am aware that no changes can be made after submit. So once you acknowledge and click on submit, after that you cannot make any changes for this GSTR1 for the EVC file. So let's do it. So this has been initiated and it may take some time to complete. The first is the EVC OTP. So an EVC OTP will be sent to the EVC registered mobile number. Yeah, once you're done, I got the acknowledgement number. So this is my acknowledgement number and this is the final summary. Okay, so now your GSTR has been filed successfully and this is the acknowledgement. You might have received a notification in your registered email ID and mobile number. So with this, we are successfully filed the GSTR1. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you.